Hello guys, this is a Ghost Rider. Welcome to our Ghost Rider YouTube channel. Thanks for your like and thanks for your subscription. And today, today's date December 23, 2024. And today I'm looking for another good setup buy. I'm in buy this one. If you want more details, just join with our Telegram channel, guys. And and link in descriptions. And yes, today I love this Euro JPY pair. Really amazing because always bullish trend. That's why I'm always looking for buy because our bank rate 0.25 GBP JPY 0.25. Yeah, that's rate. That's why always bull Euro because now. If you check in week chart, if you are checking week chart, there is a very nice, beautiful imbalance also here. You check in week chart, and if you transfer it in day chart, then there is a very nice imbalance. That's why market 100% will need to medicate this zone because someone calling supply zone, someone calling balance, and there are different names there using different names. Personally, I'm calling on like imbalance because that's a very beautiful imbalance, a high time frame. High time frame is very important, guys. That's why we have to looking for good setups. But people's, I'm sure about it, they will sell here. But fundamentally, Euro JPY buy. That's why there is one of very beautiful imbalance also here. Here, supply zone. That's why market will still more some pips we have. Yeah, more than 42 pips. Yeah, it's enough for one day. That's why, and I will after NY session. I will looking for another buy zone, but I will get some confirmations. I need some more confirmations like this. See, if I get the confirmation is here, my market is still moving very slowly. That's why today we don't have big news. I didn't see any big news. That's why market going slowly now, moving slowly. That's why we have, if we get strong BOS, if we get LTF confirmations here, then we can go for another buy zone here. There's a very nice, beautiful, unmedicated zone also here. That's why market will come again after Asian. Yeah, after Asian, London market. After London market, the market will come here. Like this, and let's go because market is a bullish trend. We are checking 15 minutes. Market is a bullish trend. Last week I got the nice sell here, but the market sell zone. That's why now market is a buy zone. See, we are checking like this. Will buy, but there is a trend liquidity. That's why market will tap this zone. That's why we can take another buy. If you want more details, if you want my entry, just join with our free channel, Telegram channel, guys. To be honest, we will learn together. Yeah, and if you check gold now bullish trend now, but there is one more demand zone also here, but still unmedicated this zone. But if we get any confirmation sell, because the market rejected here, market already rejected in 4 hours. If we get this break this level, and we have to go for buy. We break this level and we can go for sell. But personally, market will mitigate this zone, because market still not yet mitigate this zone. And if you are checking 50 minutes, you can see very clearly. Sorry. See, checking very clearly, there is a very beautiful imbalance also here, still pending order like that, but waiting for this zone also. If I get, already we got a security shift, and after that market going bullish trend, but with this point of interest and exotic setup, then it will come back. If it is come back, and we will go for another confirmation, LTF confirmations here or here. If we get any strong LTF confirmation here or here, we can go for another buy, because market always bullish trend. That's why we have to look for buy again. We'll see how this market react. Okay, or else, and if we get any confirmation, sell confirmations like this, then they will make some liquidity here. I know that gold always make some lot of liquidity for lost or retail traders. That's why we can understand about the liquidity, and we already knows that. And then after liquidity hunting and tap 1, tap 2, then we can go for another sell, or else we have to wait for another buy. Better now I am looking for buy, because there is one more supply zone also here. That's why market will mitigate this zone also. That's why we can catch some buy, 93 pips more, then we can catch buy. If we get any strong confirmation 15 minutes here, we need to check. So yeah, we need to check this on, and some confirmation. We got some. Yeah, need to break this low, and we can go for sell. If we get a strong confirmation, we will go for like this, like 144 pips one day. Day trader is enough for this setup. We'll see how this market react. If you want more details, guys, to be honest, just join with our real team, Ghost Trader team. Link in description. We will learn together. Okay, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like my channel, guys, for support and all those things. Thank you, guys, and be honest. We will earn together. But I've never trade like without any LTF confirmations. I'm always waiting for the confirmations, guys. You can check my Telegram channel, then you will know about it. Anyhow, but market still slow, because you can check here. Very nice setup. We got it. Yeah, this is also nice. And I was looking for confirmations to setup. So 1:3 like that. Then it will 98% winning rate. Yeah. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Today's update. And yeah, join with our channel, Telegram channel for free now. Yeah. Thank you. Bye.